Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush to Discover Boss. So we're on the ferry, the Nelson Mandela Highway. So we're in some morning traffic. Have some police passing by. So this is some morning traffic heading in from Spanish Town side. Some traffic is going on Spanish Town towards downtown. I guess that's where most of the traffic is heading. While I am heading to the Boulevard side, heading into New Kingston side. So we're coming off the Mandela Highway, known as the ferry. And we're now heading on to the Boulevard, Washington Boulevard. Just a quick morning drive with you guys. First of all, guys, you know the drill. If you've watched a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. Remember to like the video and leave a comment as well. That also helps YouTube to recommend the video to persons on YouTube that have never seen the channel. So that helps the YouTube algorithm. And definitely leave a comment, guys, in terms of this drive, in terms of what you think. And also share the video as well. So early morning drive with you guys. Coming from Spanish Town side, we started on the Mandela Highway. We're now on Washington Boulevard. We're just outside of Duane Park. You know, so it's peak hour morning traffic. And then in the evening now, the peak hour traffic is on the other side, heading out of Kingston. So you just have to, know where to drive, know what time to leave out, to try beat some of the traffic as well. But stay tuned, guys. I'll allow you to enjoy the drive. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, a bleak morning. The sun is somewhere hiding, so it's not a very bright morning. It's Monday morning as well, November 23rd. So it's a real-time video that I'm doing for you guys. I'm looking at some Monday morning traffic. This side of the boulevard, they recently dug it up to change some pipe, and it's not yet fixed. It's very horrible to drive right now, with the amount of potholes and areas that they dig up. Alright, so we just passed Duane Park. Again, we're on the Boulevard, Washington Boulevard. Just an early morning drive with you guys. Overcast morning, not very bright. Alright, some more traffic heading into Kingston in the direction of Halfway Tree. We're approaching Halfway Tree, so that's the direction we're heading. And we're approaching Pembroke Hall. And we're just outside of Patrick City. This left turn is Daytona Drive. Alright, so it seems as if a vehicle broke down right here on the right. So that's hampering the traffic a little bit. So this vehicle broke down, so that's, you know, causing the traffic to be worse. Alright. Alright guys, and again, just a quick morning drive showing you some of the traffic from Mandela side to Washington Boulevard side. So passing the intersection of Patrick City. Yeah, so just showing you some of the traffic coming into Kingston on a Monday morning. Some mornings it's worst. It's not moving so bad right now, but it will be like this going straight down the boulevard onto Constant Spring Road, you know, and then closer to Halfway Tree. So we're now approaching the Pembroke Hall intersection. And again guys, leave your comments. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Remember to like the video and share as well, so someone can see, you know, what's happening in Jamaica, what's happening in Kingston. You know, especially persons that are overseas, they can be abreast of what's happening out here. Alright, so I'll end the video on the boulevard so you guys finish enjoying the drive, and stay tuned for another driving video, our apartment review, our construction update, our new construction alert. Stay tuned guys. Remember to turn on that post notification bell as well, so you're always notified.